How to change shipping address in Shein after placing an order. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change your shipping address in Shein after placing an order. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Shein application on a device and then land on the shop page. Now tap on the Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, select the On Paid section from the My Order section. And then once you reach on the Seen Order section, select All Orders. And then here you will view your all orders. Currently, it is empty here, but if you have any, you will easily view it from this section. Now you need to identify the order for which you want to change the address. You can only edit the address if the order is in the pending or processing phase. If eligible, you will see the edit address option and you need to simply tap on it. Update your shipping details and you need to click save at bottom. So your shipping address will be updated from there, and that is how we can easily change shipping address in Shein after placing an order. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.